Hello everyone, this is Akshita, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online UGC-NET. As we know friends, Global Online UGC-NET has launched a complete series for upcoming UGC-NET examination 2023. In this particular series, we are dealing with paper 1. The units from the paper 1 that we were discussing was the mathematical reasoning, and in today's lecture number 18 we are starting up with a new topic named as coding decoding. Before moving into the video friends, there is an announcement for you. For the UGC NET examination 2023 paper 1, a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform with the following features. Live lectures will be provided to you. Video lectures on all the units will be provided. 60 plus mock tests, last 10 year PYQs, complete notes, 4000 plus MCQ question banks, and all these features, that is live lectures, video lectures on all the units, 60 plus mock test, last 10 year PYQs, complete notes, 4000 plus MCQ question bank will be provided to you in the course fees of just 3600 rupees. Its original fees is 4500 rupees, which has been reduced to 20% to the amount of 3600 rupees. So this is a golden opportunity to grab it, and you can explore this particular offer till 5th of January, 20% off. And the important and the highlighting feature of this particular course is that you will be provided with the one-on-one doubt solving sessions. Okay, so this is the highlighting feature of this particular course. You can make your preparation so stronger so that you can score maximum marks in the examination and get the guaranteed selection. So to join this particular course for the Global Online application, you have to simply go and download the Global Online application, or you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 9860464765 or 9766066858. Global Online application is available on the Play Store also. From there you can install the application. Once you will install it, you will find such type of interface. In this particular interface, there is an icon named as store icon. Click on store icon, you will move to the page called as My Courses. In this particular page, there is an search tab where you can explore different courses. Now this is a platform where you can prepare for different entrance examination, like for UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2 with the different subjects there are courses. Similarly for CSIR NET and CSIR NET paper 2 also there are different courses. For Maharashtra SET examination and Maharashtra SET examination paper 1 as well as paper 2, there are different courses available. You can go and explore on this particular application and get enrolled into the specific course whichever you want to. Okay, before moving into the video, once again the overview consists of daily live lecture, recorded lecture, 60 plus mock test, full syllabus notes, 10 year PYQs, 4000 plus MCQs, and the content is provided in both the language, that is in Hindi as well as in the English language. Okay, if you want to follow the course exclusively in English language, you can follow Tripti ma'am for that. If you want the course exclusively in Hindi language, you can follow Priyanka ma'am for that. And if you want course in the bilingual language in Hindi as well as in English, you can follow Ankita Sood ma'am for that. Okay, so in today's lecture we'll be discussing some of the important questions regarding the codes, that is coding decoding. Okay, so whenever we study the topic of coding and decoding, first thing, as I have mentioned before, that English alphabetical letters play an important role and their position as well. Okay, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, we have written this in the forward manner, and the letters N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, these are the letters, the English alphabetical letters, and their position. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so one thing that you can clearly see here is from N to Z, as I have already mentioned in the previous class of the number series. Okay, that from N to Z we are going to write that in the opposite direction, in the reverse manner. Okay, this was the thing that I have told you already. Now what kind of role this is going to play, let us see that first. Before that, here in a certain code language, mission, MISSIONS, is coded as MSIISNOS. how will be online written in that particular code has been asked. Options have been given. Okay, so when you look at this particular word mission, okay, I'll rub this out. MISSSIONS. Okay, this particular word has been coded as MSSISNOS. The first and the last letter of this particular word or the code directly indicates that the first and the last alphabetical letter have been kept as it is. They have been kept as it is. Okay, now for the left out letters, what they have done, they have actually interchanged the position in one particular pair. It means that they have interchanged the position of the letters in the pair of 2. Look here, I, S is the upcoming next pair. Okay, the letter I and letter S is the next upcoming pair, right? So the position of I has been given to S and the position of S has been given to I, right? It was on the second position, it was on the third position. Now this became the second position letter and this became the third position. Similarly, for next pair also what they have done, they have interchanged their positions, right? So here the fourth letter was S, so here it became the fifth letter. Here the fifth letter was I, and I here in the next coding they became the fourth letter. Okay, similarly the next pair is O and N, ma'am. They have simply interchanged again the position over here for O and letter N. Okay, so in this way basically they have coded mission. Okay, they have coded mission. So how will they code online later? Let us code now online in the same manner. Okay, online, ONLINE. What they have done, they have kept the first and the last letter as it is, O and E, right? As we have seen before in the previous coding for mission, they have kept the first and the last letter as it is. What they have done nextly, they have took the pairs of the letters and they have interchanged their position, right? So the second, third, fourth, fifth, the third letter is going to be the second letter now, and the second letter is going to be the third letter now, that is N. Position have been interchanged. Here also the position will be interchanged, that is the fifth letter will become fourth and fourth will become the fifth letter. So OLNNIE will be the code for online. So if we see the options, the option number first is the right one to this particular given question. I hope you have understood the question. Moving on to the second question. In a certain code language, tiger has been coded as QDFHS. How is fish written in that particular code? Options are given here. Okay, before moving into the options, let us see what is the logic they have used over here. Okay, so here I have taken the alphabetical letters. I have written all the alphabetical letters. Okay, so here tiger, TIGER, has been coded as QDFHS. So ये कोड किस तरीके से आया है वो अभी हम पढ़ेंगे पहली बात तो. ओके, सो हियर tiger, if we reverse the word complete, if we completely reverse this word, so it will become REGIT. I have completely reversed the word tiger, right? So it became REGIT. Okay, so if we find the difference, of the letters between this particular word, that is R and Q, E and D, G and F, I and H, T and S, these letters appear when we do minus from this. Okay, look here, what is the letter used over here? R. So if we do R minus 1, what we are going to get is Q, which is the first letter of the code. Okay, ma'am. Nextly, the second letter is E. Whenever we are doing E minus 1, we are getting D. Right? Similarly, next letter is G. If we are doing G minus 1, we are getting F. Next letter of the code. Similarly, I is the word. I minus 1 agar kiya, it will give us H. T minus 1 agar kiya, T minus agar 1 kiya, what we are going to get is S. So what they have done, actually in the very first step, they have reversed the complete word. They have reversed the word, and secondly, whatever the word that has occur, after reversing it, they have minus 1 position from each of the letter over there, for each of the letter in that particular series provided. Okay, I hope you have understood now this. So similarly, for fish, what they are going to do, write the word first, FISH, fish, reverse this particular word completely. What will be the word after reversing it? HSIF will be the word. The second thing that you have to do over here is do H minus 1 kiya, what will get? Will get G for H letter. Okay, S minus 1 kiya, what we will get? R is the code for S letter. Similarly, if we do I minus 1, we are going to get again H, right? So F minus 1 kiya, F minus 1, we are going to get E, code for F. So GRHE will be the code for letter or word fish. Okay, GRHE, that is option number second, is the right one to this particular given question. Moving on to the next question. In a certain word, so in a certain code, frozen is written as OFAPSG. Then how would molten be written in that particular code? Okay, if we look at there is the same logic that we have used before. Okay, so for that I'll write here the alphabetical letter. So here what they have done is frozen, FROZEN. If we reverse this word, what we are going to get is NEZORF. Okay, NEZORF. Now this particular word frozen has been coded as what? OFAPSG. Okay, after comparing the word frozen by reversing it with the code that has been mentioned for frozen. Okay, if we compare these letters, alphabetical letters, what we see, N plus 1 kiya, will get O. N plus 1, we are getting O. Similarly, E plus 1 kiya, we are getting F. Similarly, Z plus 1. Now look here, Z plus 1, they are considering this to be as the अल्फ़ाबेटिकल लेटर ए, बिकॉज जेड के बाद कोई अल्फ़ाबेटिकल लेटर आता नहीं है, तो स्टार्टिंग से अल्फ़ाबेटिकल सीरीज उन्होंने स्टार्ट की है. सो जेड के लिए उन्होंने व्हाट दे हैव यूज द कोड ओवर देयर, दे हैव use the code A. Similarly, for the letter O, they have used the code P. For letter R, they have used the +1, that is S. Okay, for F, they have used +1, that is G. Right, so this is how they have taken the logic, that is reversing the word. First we have to reverse the word, and whatever the reverse word has come, in each letter we have to add +1. Okay, so this was the logic behind it. Now we have to code with the same logic for the word called as molten, MOLTEN. Ma'am, the first thing that you are going to do is reverse the word. NETLOM is the word after reversing the molten word, right? So when we reverse it, what we have to do, we have to add +1 in each one of the words. This was the logic, right, that we have used for the previous word frozen. So for N letter, you are going to code it as O +1. Okay, for E alphabetical letter, you are going to code the next alphabetical letter, that is F. Similarly, for T, you are going to take the next alphabetical letter, that is equal to U. Okay, for L, you are going to code +1, that is M. For O, you are going to code P. For M, you are going to code N, ma'am. next letter, right? So OFUMPN, that is option number 3 is the right answer to the question. What we have used the logic here, reversing the word and adding one letter in the particular word that we have got here. In the last question what we have done, we have reversed the word and we have done -1. Okay, here we are doing +1. So this was the logic. So before moving to the next question, there is an announcement for you guys. For paper 2, complete study material has been launched for the students who are going to appear the UGC-NET examination. In this particular paper 2's complete study material, you will be provided with the full syllabus notes and most expected MCQs for your examination. Okay, so this particular course will be provided to you in the course fees of 1500. Actual price was 1700 rupees. So there is an offer currently going on this, so you can go and enroll to this particular course. Here the student with the following subject can get enrolled to the course. Subjects are like management, economics, computer science, commerce, history, sociology, psychology, library science, philosophy, Marathi, law, English literature, physical education, geography, political science, social work, education, Hindi, public administration and electronic science. Okay, so let's move on to the next question of today's lecture now. Okay, in a certain code language, a ROAR, ROAR is written as URDU. Okay, so how is URDU written in that code? So I have written the alphabetical letters over here. Now the word ROAR is written as URDU. If we search for the logic, R is coded as U. Okay, O is coded as R. Okay, A is coded as D, and R letter is again coded as U. Okay, here what we can see clearly, they are coding the word or the letter, we can say here, by giving gap of 2 letters or adding +3 in it, we can say like that. If I am taking R +3 or the letters after R, if we take +1, +2 and +3, so U will be the letter that has been used for the coding of letter R. Similarly for O also, what we are going to do, O +3, +1 ma'am, +2, +3, so we are using R letter for O. Similarly for A, what we are going to use, for A we are going to use +1, +2, +1, +2 and +3, so this is the D. Similarly for R again we have taken U. So what will be the code for URDU? What is the code for URDU? They have asked us over here. So to find this, what we are going to do, for each letter over here we are going to add +3. We are going to add +3. So take the letter URDU जिसका हमें निकालना है. ठीक है, U +3 करना, ये हो गया +1, +2 और +3. So for U you are going to take X as the code. For R letter we have already seen +1, +2, +3. We are going to take U as the letter for R. For D what we will take, for D +1, +2 and +3, that is G we are going to take here. And for letter U again we are going to take X. So XUGX is the code for URDU in this particular given question. Okay, so here gap of 2 letters or letter +3 was the logic. Okay, moving on to the next question. Here MEANDER is the word. Here now the coding has been taken place in the form of the numbers. Okay, so 4 code has been used for E. For E they have used 5, for A they have used 1, for N they have used again 5, for D they have used 4, again 5 and 9. So what is the logic behind this particular code? Okay, if we start writing the alphabetical series, so we'll try to understand what the importance of the alphabetical series is in the topic named as number series or alphabetical series, and as well as in the coding and decoding. Okay, now in this particular question, its use can be, it is as, look at the numbers first. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, इसका क्या यूज़ है अभी आपको पता चलेगा. इसका 18, ये 19 हो गया, ये 20, ये फिर 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 एंड 26 अल्फ़ाबेटिकल लेटर्स. ओके फाइन. तो फॉर M, E, A, N, D, E, R. Okay, how is the code assigned? Let us look at that. Very first thing, if we see the number for M, is M letter is at which position? It is at 13th position, ma'am. It is at 13th position. If we look at the letter E, it is at 13th position. If we look at the letter E is at which position, ma'am? E is at 5th position. Similarly, A is at first position, N is again as 14th position, D is at 4th position, E is at 5th position, and R letter is at, again, if we see R, it is at 18th position. Okay, if we look at the code carefully, what is the code assigned? 4, 5. I'll write here 4, 5, 1, 5, 4, 5, 9, and compare this position with this particular code. What are the same letters that I can find over here? Ma'am, letter phi is common. Here phi is also seen. Similarly, ma'am, here 1 is common. 1 is also seen. Okay. Nextly, if we see 4 is common, ma'am, 4 is also common over here. Phi is common, phi is common. Left out 4, 5 and 9 are the codes. Now, what logic they have used over here? Look here, for letter M, position is 13. Instead of taking the position or the number as 13, they have taken 1 plus 3 to assign a single digit. The next position for letter E is 5th position, तो उसका as it is रखा है. Similarly, for the position of the letter A is 1, it has kept as it is. Now the position of letter N is 14th, so 14 के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? 1 plus 4. This is 5. Okay. Similarly, for letter D, they have taken 4th position as it is. For letter E, they have taken 5th position as it is. But now again for letter R, the number position is 18. So instead of taking 18, they have taken 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9. So 4, 5, 1, 5, 4, 5, 9 is the particular code assigned to meander word. Similarly, we have to calculate we have to assign the code for letter mathematics. For the word mathematics, MATHEMATICS is the word. We know the letter M is at 13th position, ma'am. Just write it down first. A is at 1st position. Okay. I'll write somewhat spacious. Okay. Mathematics. So for letter M, the position is 13th. For letter A, the position is 1. For letter T, the position is 20. For letter H, the position is 8. For E, it is 5. For M, again it is 13. For A, again it is 1. For T, it is again 20. Okay. For letter I, it is 9. For C, the position is 3. For S, the position is 19. Okay. Whatever the words are positioned or their position at the single digit have to be kept as it is. जो लेटर्स है उनका सिर्फ सिंगल डिजिट का पोजीशन है, तो उसका एज इट इज़ रखना है 1, 8, 1, 5, 9, 3. बाकी के जो रहे वाले 2 डिजिट्स है उसके अंदर हम क्या करेंगे? इसको 1 डिजिट के अंदर कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 1 + 3 करेंगे. दिस विल गिव अस 4. 1 विल बी एज इट इज़. 20 दैट इज़ 2 + 0 करेंगे. दिस विल गिव अस 2. ओके. 8 का एज इट इज़. मैम 5 का भी एज इट इज़ लिखना. 13 इसको 1 + 3 करेंगे आएगा 4. So next letter 1, it is as it is. For 20 we are going to do 2 + 0, that is going to give us 2. Okay, 9 will be as it is, again 3 will be as it is, and for 19 we are going to take it as 10. So again we want a single digit. So what we have done here for 19, 1 + 9 किया, क्या आया, 10 आया. सो 10 का और हमें क्या चाहिए, सिंगल डिजिट चाहिए. तो कैसा करेंगे, 1 + 0 करेंगे, विल गेट 1. सो 41285412931 is the code that we will assign for the word named as mathematics. So this was how we have coded certain words by decoding the previous words that has given in the question. Okay, so I have given you a question over here. Try to solve this question at home. Okay, and after solving this, try to give the answer to the question in the comment section and let me know that you have understood this particular topic. Now look here, what I have given here. Balloons are blue is coded as 834. Rainbow in sky is coded at 723. Carpet is beautiful is coded as 629, and box is heavy is coded as 325. So first thing that you have to do over here is just look at the words that have actually been coded in this question and look at what the code has been used. Okay, and find the similar words. Similar words in what sense? Similar words in what sense? That are there any similar words and similar code has been used, and on the basis of that try to find the code for girl and the code for India is beautiful country. Okay, so ये दो क्वेश्चंस का आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में ड्रॉप करके बताना. आज के लेक्चर में हमने कोडिंग डिकोडिंग टॉपिक के कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखे, इस तरीके के ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं. नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर अल्फ़ाबेटिकल सीरीज़. आई होप आपको समझ आई होगी अभी. ओके, सो आज के लेक्चर के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी था. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. इफ़ यू आर लाइकिंग माई वीडियो एंड द कॉन्टेंट, प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन. एट द सेम टाइम, इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट रिगार्डिंग द लेक्चर और रिगार्डिंग द एनरोलमेंट ऑफ द कोर्स, यू कैन लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. हमारी टीम आपको ज़रूर हेल्प करेगी. सो दिस वॉज एंड ऑफ टुडेस लेक्चर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग इट. हैव अ ग्रेट डे एवरीवन. बाय.